Dahil anniversary namin ngayon, kaya naisipan namin pumunta sa Bag of Beans Antonio Inchorito branch, dito lang sa may Tagaytay na Sugbo Highway. Actually, madali lang siya makita kasi along the highway lang siya. Ayan siya agad. Makikita nyo naman yung Bag of Beans na signage niya. Ang order ko ay pork tomahawk in balsamic glaze, served with roast potatoes and carrot. And then this one is clam chowder soup and then complimentary na bread. And para kay Chantel ay chicken tenders. Asawa ko naman ay roast beef, yan ang favorite niya, and house blend iced tea. Bakit kaya ang sarap ng clam chowder soup sa restaurant, pero kapag ikaw yung gumawa sa bahay, parang may something na hindi masarap? What are you eating? What are you eating? Chicken and rice. Yummy? Umorder din ako ng white chocolate latte dito sa Bag of Beans para matry lang kung anong difference niya. Good.
I was hungry in the car.
You're hungry in the car?
Yeah.
Pina-take out pa namin yung New York cheesecake. Halos mauubos din naman pala. Christmas feels na talaga ang weather ngayon. Kaya after namin mag-dinner sa Bag of Beans, dumaretso kami dito sa Twin Lakes. Ayan, dito namin naisipang maglakad-lakad. Daming ilaw. Potato corner. Behind the scene, guys. Daddy and daughter. Lamig. Uwi na kami, guys. That's all. Bye.